Okay, the end of day 2, not exactly where I thought I would be, but this is what I've done so far in the bathroom. I'm tired.
Hi, this is Susanna speaking.
I'm showing the bathroom.
Look at the new bathroom where we're going to be in.
Okay, yeah, right.
Wow. I'm no friend.
Susanna did most of that. Floor isn't done. I wanted it to be done. Okay.
Take a break.
That's gone. All this tile's gone along the side. Most of this wall is done. As you can see, exposed. Yanked out the toilet. I've got all this to do. Wood rot right there. Wood rot up there. Also, looks like some old termite eggs. I mean, I'm assuming they're not new. I don't see any termites running around. A little bit of mold. Quite a bit of mold, actually. Susanna, close that door behind us, dear, if you're going to be in here. That's where the toilet was. Got most of these tiles off. The goal for tomorrow is to yank all this off, and have most of this wall done, if not actually all of this wall taken off, all of that wall done, and then by that time Dave's going to help me tomorrow evening. We'll probably yank all this wall out, yank out the bathtub, and tear down this entire wall and cap off all the plumbing. And
I'm trying to peel all these pastings off because we're going to put in a new wall.
Yeah, Susanna, oh, this is my trash so far. Nasty in the backyard. I don't want people thinking I'm white trash. Nasty.
It looks like you're littering.
Yeah, well, we're gonna pick up.
I'm saying it on video.
We're gonna take all this to the dump, right?
Right now.
All right, tell everybody goodbye, Susanna.
Bye. I'll see you next time on Susanna.com. Bye.